Good morning. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Happy Friday. TGIF. Before we get started today, there are two people I need to apologize to. I should probably stop smiling and laughing. But I need to apologize to Daniel and Peter's mom for the picture that was posted in yesterday's video with a cucumber drawn on his face. I apologize, and I mean that sincerely. All right, now that's out of the way, let's get the show on the road.
She was like ready to call.
Was she really that mad?
Yeah.
Come on, it's entertaining. The fun factor.
It's so nostalgic.
I know, I hear you. But isn't he like not the favorite one?
She loves so eagerly.
Oh, good answer, Daniel. Good answer. All right. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 condensers. Now, this homeowner is on the 5-year plan. Every year, we replace a condenser and a system. These are all R22 systems. Well, those 3 at least. We started with this one, this Carrier, 2 years ago. Got it in a nice high-rise pad right there. Then last year we put this Bosch IDS 2.0 system in. And now we're going to take this one out. And then the following year we'll go with the next. And then the year after that one. So 5-year plan. Peter, I apologize. I'm sorry if I offended you. It was all in good intention anyway. But nonetheless, my apologies. So, Daniel's in the process of recovering the R22 from this system.
You should feel how heavy this is already.
How heavy it is?
I wish I could scale it.
I wish I could resell that. Be nice. Be nice. $150 a pound. Probably got a good, 20 pounds here? Oh, yeah.
It's gonna be closer.
It's going to be full, and it's going to probably stop. And, we're not going to vent to the atmosphere like everyone else does, but... Oh, look, you're almost empty. Nice. Very nice. So we're going to disconnect this. I already have the blower motor out of the air handler in the first floor laundry room. There's another unit next to that. I had to get really creative. They put a clip in between both units to secure the coil that's sitting on top of the unit we're taking out. So I ripped out everything from inside of it. I got the grinder and I cut the screw out. So now the hot water coil above the air handler is completely out. And I'm going to show you this right now. All right. They have floor linear diffusers. And this is what they call Venetian plaster. Tits, by the way. Okay. All right. You got it out?
Yeah.
Good job. All right. Here's what remains of the air handler. Here's our fan coil resting on top of it. All right. As you can see right there. And we had a clip right there that was holding on to that clip. You guys see it? There it is right there. That clip right there. And this electric box, where did it go? Oh, right there. Was also secured to that side. The condenser is already in the truck. So let's cut these lines here, right? Mm-hmm. Preferably with a tubing cutter.
Automatic?
Well, automatic's not going to work for the 3/8.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
All right. But let's get a tubing cutter. I don't want to use a Sawzall because we are reusing the existing line set. We are going to flush it out. And let me get you guys' thoughts and feedback down in the comment section down below. I heard of this thing called the wiper. Have you heard about that? Daniel's been talking about that with you?
I've never heard that.
Apparently you sell it at True Tech Tools. It's like this little sponge that travels on the inside of the line set and it wipes all the residue clean. It's called the wiper. Like you wipe your rear end, right? Wiper. So if you guys have ever heard of this and or used it, let me know what your thoughts are on that because like you guys know, I embrace technology and if this is something cool, I'll get it. All right, let's get the show on the road.
Keep the bucket there, but don't let this stuff get in your eyes.
Hold on. Let's get another bucket.
Just so that it'll catch the spray.
Yeah. You're gonna
Okay, so but like hold it so it doesn't go away.
Using the
And
X11,
watch
X12
yourself.
flash.
Don't get
Pro flash.
blasted.
Daniel read the directions thoroughly, and we're gonna flush out the line sets. Line set, should I say?
Wait, I'm just gonna move this one.
Okay, tell me when you're ready.
We have Peter outside with a bucket. He's gonna catch the crap that comes out of this line.
This is kind of scary.
Scary? You want
How
me to do it?
toxic is this chemical? Very?
Well, I wouldn't drink it.
Are you ready?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
But you have no pressure in there now.
Yeah, no, not anymore.
So now what are you gonna do? What's it say to do?
Wash it with 150 psi for
Okay.
1 to 2 minutes.
All right. We got our turbo torch nitrogen regulator. You're gonna open that up. And let's release on that is open. It's all good. So some escapes, no big deal.
Yeah, but I don't want to waste it either. The nitrogen.
Not a
I don't
waste.
like wasting anything.
We're flushing. Peter, what do you see outside?
A bucket.
From the bigger pipe, the line said I see a small drip. I can smell whatever Danny's pumping in.
Okay. So we'll do that for 2 to 3 minutes. And then we'll move on to the next. All right. We're good. We good. We flushed out the line set. Very nice. Maybe next year we'll do this one. So if we're gonna do this one next year, let me get a step ahead. Take this out. That way it's gone next year. Smart move, right?
What?
Take the screw out for now.
What's the measurement?
The measurement? The measurement's tits.
Is it really?
Yeah. All right. Didn't record much, but 1, 2, this third year, 4th and 5th. So right now we're in year 3. We've been pumping down for, I'm gonna say maybe about half an hour. Let's take a look at our micron gauge. That says 105 microns. That is tits. Don't let that board scare you. It's a 10-year warranty on this bad boy. And we got surge protection on this house, so we're good. Got to compliment Daniel on such a nice, fine job he did here with the line set, the 7/8 and the 3/8. In case you're wondering, the filter dryer is inside. Like right there. Right there. Nice Bosch. This is the 4-ton air handler, and it's matched with the 5-ton outdoor heat pump condenser. Love Bosch. All right, it is 5 to 12. We started a little after 8 in the morning. Daniel's gonna dump the charge, and we're gonna add 1 pound. We're gonna weigh it in based on measurement of 410A.
I'm gonna not dump it all in because this tank's pretty close to empty. All our tanks are pretty close to empty.
Okay.
So
Oh, we
not
had
as much
full tanks.
at the shop.
Yeah.
Just so like there's not as much pressure in the lines.
Okay. Yeah, suck it in. Make sure you purge the line.
Yeah.
Make sure we don't get any non-condensables. Wow, I think this is like the first air conditioning system for the season. It is.
Well,
Technically,
the install, yeah.
technically we're in
I've
spring.
done 2 condenser hookups.
2 condenser hookups.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Hooked up 2 condensers.
Where?
one I removed, or 3, because one I removed 2, put 2 back.
Oh, but not replacements.
No.
No.
But still.
Yeah.
The O-rings
Our shot.
on the vacuum hoses, yeah.
We have to reach out to Eco Tools.
We have to reach out to them also because that other valve removal tool,
The core.
this
Yeah.
one, it leaks.
Oh.
So you can't use it.
They're gonna tell me to buy new ones. They're gonna tell me to buy new ones. But the hoses are where the money's at.
Yeah.
Expensive hoses. This is the True Blue evacuation set, the professional one.
A couple different companies make sense.
Makes sense, yeah.
I was looking because they're cheaper. I was looking at
They're
them.
cheaper. Sometimes, you know, you get what you pay for. You know. I didn't have the field piece vacuum was buried in the truck, so I took out the Hilmer from the reserves, and we got the Testo 557S digital manifold. It's very nice. Gotta love Bosch, guys. Right now, everyone, type in the comment section down below. Love Bosch. 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 Love Bosch. Okay. It's a little after 2 o'clock. I'm hanging out in the backyard with Gigi, the mini golden doodle, and Stoli, the other mini golden doodle. And I was thinking, you know, I feel bad. I feel bad for kind of like insulting Peter. So I called him up and I said, Peter, I feel bad. So I want to give you something as a token of my appreciation. And since Peter loves basketball so much, and I happen to have courtside seats to the Brooklyn Nets for the season, and they're playing the Cavaliers tonight at 7:30, I call up Peter. I was like, Peter, I want to give you these tickets. And it also comes with unlimited food. I know he loves to eat Taco Bell, but there's no Taco Bell there. But I know he loves to eat. And I was like, Peter, if you get there like a little extra early, you can hit all like the concession stands multiple times before even the game starts. He's like, oh, cool, Mike. Thank you so much. I was like, Peter, my pleasure. You gotta I know it's all fun and games, and I try to be entertaining and also somewhat educational. Hopefully a mixture of both, but I love my guys. They're great guys. You know, the other Mike has been with me for years. You got Daniel's son, almost a year, coming up on a year anniversary. Scooped him up from, I don't know, this contractor who loves to do hack jobs. And then we got his brother, Peter Pan. And let me tell you something. If you're not having fun in what you do, you shouldn't be doing it, or find something that you love to do. And that's my message to all you guys today. If you are miserable at what you do, find something that motivates you to wake up in the morning. Now, am I going to say I love waking up at 4:30 or 5:30 in the morning during the week? Absolutely not. And there are some days where I'm going to hang out for another hour, hour and a half in bed, and maybe I'll schlep into the office, the shop at, 7:15, 7:30. Or maybe I'll just go straight to my job at 8 o'clock. But the message and the point I'm trying to make is that you must love what you do. If you don't love what you do, you just got to find that. So, if you're mechanically inclined, there's a shortage in the trades these days. And there's been a shortage for, the past 20 years. But if you're mechanically inclined and you're young, or even if you're older, it's never too late to learn something new. Never too late. All right, guys. Hope you have a great weekend. This is my Friday afternoon upload. I got nothing scheduled for Saturday or Sunday, so I'll check you all out on Monday. Have a great weekend. Spend some time with your family, your loved ones, and go hug your kids. Mikey Pipes, signing off. Be well. God bless. Stay safe. Shabbat Shalom to all those who celebrate.